How to log into your First Republic bank account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to log into your First Republic bank account online. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for republicbank.com, which will take you to the official homepage of the Republic Bank account online over here. And you can just tap on this login button at the top right corner, and you just have to enter your registered username as well as your registered password, and simply click on login to successfully log into your online banking or mobile banking account for the First Republic Bank. And as you can see, there are currently two different levels such as personal online banking and business online banking. So if you have a business online banking account, you can always log in with that. Since I have a personal banking account, I have gone for the personal option and simply click on login. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.